Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Meta Ads account to Julius AI, so you can start analyzing your ad performance instantly, all without leaving Julius. First, open Julius and go to Connect Your Data. You'll see a list of all of the available integrations. Click on Meta Ads. A Meta window will open asking you to log into your account. Once you log in, you'll see a Continue as Your Name prompt. This just confirms the account you're connecting to. Click Continue to move forward. And next, you'll be asked to choose which businesses you want Julius to access. You could either opt in to all of your current or future businesses, or just your current ones. Choose your business, and click Continue. Then you'll see a short review of what access Julius needs, like viewing your ad accounts, reading performance data, and connecting to your business profile. Click Save, and that's it. You'll see a confirmation message that says your Meta account has been connected to Julius AI. Now that your Meta Ads account is connected, you can start asking Julius questions like, which campaign had the best ROAS last week? Or, show me cost per lead over the last 30 days. Instant insights, no dashboards, no spreadsheets, just clarity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and check out our other tutorials on connecting Google Drive, Databricks, and more. See you in the next one.